Welcome guys to SKY-CAD Technology. On today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to scale and use stretch entities. So let's get started. Let's make this line vertical. Let's add vertical line here. Make it construction line. Now let's go to our scale entities. Now for entities to scale, I select this. Your parameter scale about. Now I click on this line here on my left and I increase the scaling. It will move to the right. I'm scaling it towards the right. But if I want to scale it to the left, I'll delete this and I select this. The scaling will be moving towards the left direction. So that's for scaling. Now let me delete this. And let's work with the stretch entities. Now for my entities to stretch, I select this. This is it. Now let's work with X and Y direction. Now increase it towards the positive X direction. It's going towards my right. If I move it to the negative X direction, it's going towards my left. Now let's work with from to. Now I click here and I drop it here. So that's it for from to. It moves from where you pick and you drop. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe at SKY-CAD Technology. Thank you.